intake for 2013 Toyota Prius. I'm just going to go ahead and use brake cleaner and clean our intake. So what I'm doing right now is using a flathead screwdriver to clean the EGR port for our intake. I went ahead and sprayed brake cleaner. What you want to do is just put a flathead screwdriver inside and move it around so you can break up all the grime deposits. Spraying a bunch of brake cleaner in our EGR pipe. I'm going to spray the brake cleaner in our throttle body. This is the back side of the throttle body. Doing the same thing, spraying a bunch of brake cleaner all along the sides of the throttle body. It helps if you have a metal bristle brush.